So there was a student that had a question today about block 2 reflection, and looking into the course, I can see her confusion because the reflections are um, designed inaccurately and pretty poorly, to say the least. So let me show you something that I see. If I'm a student and I go into the module, I see at the end of a module, let's just look at module 1, for example, at the end of, at the end of block 1, I see an assignment called the reflection. This assignment, if I look at the icon, hover over the icon, is a quiz. So this tells me as a student I need to complete a quiz at the end of block 1 called reflection. However, if I click on this quiz, there are no questions. If I preview it, I see some text as to what I'm supposed to do, but there is no place to submit this work and no information on points or anything like that, right? So this gives me no other than what I'm supposed to write my prompt. This is an incomplete assignment and there's no place for them to submit. Somehow, even though it wasn't in the module, because only this quiz, which is really an ungraded survey, somebody built this as an ungraded survey, it was not me. Students were smart enough to then click on the assignments button, find another assignment with the exact same name that was actually a file upload assignment, which is this right here. See how the icon is different? This is a file upload assignment. And even though this has no instructions, they were smart enough to know that they needed to upload a submission, and 15 of them did, and they were graded. So where they actually submit the assignment for block 1 was not only not in the module, it also had no instructions in it. The same thing is happening for block 2. So what it actually looks like is there's kind of 2 assignments. So again, I am a student. I have finished block 2. I go to complete the reflection. I click on this I look at this little icon. I see that there is a quiz called block 2 reflection. But if I click on this, at least block 1 quiz had some instructions. This has nothing. This is just a big empty space with no instructions and no place to submit my work. Let me click preview again. So as a student, I would have zero idea what to do. If I click on assignments, I do see that there is a file upload for block 2 reflection, but again, zero instructions. So these need to be fixed and rebuilt. There's no reason why this ungraded quiz exists other than the fact that it has some language in it as to what students should be doing. But that language, this right here, should be in the file upload assignments and not in an empty ungraded quiz. So this needs to be fixed immediately. Otherwise, you are going to have some problems. I will gladly fix this for you. There is a part of me that wants to teach you to fish and teach you how to do it yourself, which is really what I should do, but I'm not going to lie, I'm concerned it's going to get done wrong and then we're going to end up having to fix it in the end. So I would rather preemptively do it correctly now, even though we're halfway through the course. So please let me know that you have viewed this video and whether or not you would like to attempt to make the repair or you need or want me to do it.